Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a very special video. Now, by the end of this, you're going to know everything you need to know in order to start making 100,000 plus per month with your OnlyFans account. Now, not only that, but if you stick around until the end, I'm going to be disclosing some insiders information that only the top 1% of creators know about. And trust me, you're going to want to stay for that. So before we get into this video, I want to tell you a little bit about myself for those of you who don't know me. Now, my name is Ethan Bayliss and I own an OnlyFans growth agency based in the UK where we help creators like yourself gain financial independence through OnlyFans and allow you to travel the world and make ridiculous sums of money. But now, let's get into the nitty gritty of this video. So, what are we going to cover? We're going to cover why OnlyFans is such a lucrative opportunity, how you can make more money on OnlyFans, why some people struggle to make money on OnlyFans, how to get more subscribers, how to make more per subscriber, and what the top 1% of creators know that you don't know. Okay, so why is OnlyFans such a lucrative opportunity? Well, the simple answer is sex sells. Always has and always will. Now, the reason OnlyFans in particular is producing such lucrative incomes for people all over the world is because it leverages the power of software. Now, OnlyFans gives all the power to the content creator, allowing them to sell content at mass scale in a controlled manner. Now, OnlyFans was created in 2016, making the market still relatively young with low levels of competition, which is why it's a perfect opportunity to get started now. So, how can you make money on OnlyFans? Well, there's multiple revenue streams. So the first revenue stream is subscriptions, and that's when a fan subscribes to your channel, they'll be a subscriber and they'll pay a monthly fee to be a subscriber to your content. Now, the second revenue stream is PPV, and that's when you send videos and photos to fans and they pay per view. Then you also got deals, that's additional offers you can sell on top of PPV content, targets, and then you can raise money for new items. So essentially, you can buy a new bit of kit and you can charge money for the kit, and your subscribers will help you afford to buy that kit. And a little top tip is that it can be stuff you already have. So if you already have a lingerie set, then you can raise money for it anyway and then feature it in your next video. Then the next revenue stream is private calls. So you can sell per minute video calls with fans. And then you've got sugar daddies, and you can nurture sugar daddies to financially support you. Why do some people struggle to make money on OnlyFans? Well, the number one reason OnlyFans creators struggle to make money is because they don't treat it like a business. Okay, so to elaborate on that point a little bit more, the reason you need to treat it like a business is because you're competing against people like myself. Now, I don't want to sound vain in what I'm saying, but I am on the platform day in, day out. I have a team call every single morning with my team looking for strategies to implement to help the growth of our clients. Now, if you're not on our client list, then that means you're a competitor of us. So you need to be updating your strategies daily. You need to be looking for the latest subscription methods. You need to be looking for the latest social media strategies. You need to be looking for the latest nurturing systems. There's all layers of this business, and it really comes down to the core skills of running a business, which is sales, copywriting, marketing, and that's pretty much it. And if you do that, then you should be good to go. But you need to treat it like a business, and if anyone tells you that it's not a business, don't listen to them. You need to treat it like a business, and you need to be very analytical and logical when it comes to your decisions. So, how do you get more subscribers? Well, the key to getting more subscribers is effective marketing. Now, to put this in perspective, you could be the hottest girl on the internet, and if you lack effective marketing, you'll still struggle to attract more subscribers. Now, the best strategy to market your OnlyFans account is to take a holistic approach and focus on multiple platforms. Now, the more eyeballs you can get on your pictures, the more money you are going to be making. So that is a very, very key message. The more eyeballs and traffic you can get on your content, the more money you're going to be making. So the social medias that I recommend, which you're going to get the most juice for your squeeze, is Reddit, Twitter, Discord, TikTok, and Instagram. Now, key points about Reddit: you're just going to want to upload a display picture, banner, and bio. You're going to want to create an album of 15 pics and pin it to your profile. And you're going to want to upload pictures to as many subreddits as possible, even if it's not in your niche. And there's many different subreddits, and you just need to go on subreddits on Reddit. You can go on Google and you can type in different types of subreddits for OnlyFans, and you're going to see so many, and just post into as many as possible every single day. Now, you're going to want to make your captions dirty and intriguing to get the most clicks to your profile. You're going to want to upload to subreddits at least 5+ times a day. And then when people DM you, you forward them to your OnlyFans account. Now, if they put up any sort of resistance, don't bother, because chances are, if they can't cough up $6, then they're not worth having a subscriber, and it's not worth the time that you're wasting trying to convince them to subscribe to your OnlyFans. And you're going to want to link directly to your OnlyFans from your profile. The next one's Twitter. Now you're going to want to upload a display picture, banner and bio, the same as the last one. You're going to want to follow similar accounts to your own. You're going to want to pin a tweet at least 3 times a day, and interact with the red pill content. Make haters. Now, in case you don't know what red pill content is, it's essentially the guys out there who hate on women. And if you actually go in that sort of content and make a anti-men comment, then you're going to be getting a bunch of white knights come to your rescue. And if you like all their comments, then they're going to turn into loyal subscribers. Now, when people DM you, you forward them to OnlyFans, the same as Reddit, and you're going to want to link directly to your OnlyFans. Now, with Discord, you want to download Discord if you don't already have it. You want to add a quick little display picture to your Discord profile, and join as many female promotional Discord servers as possible. Now, when you join each server, you're going to want to introduce yourself, and make sure you act cute and innocent. That's going to attract the most guys. Now, you're also going to want to upload long-form promotional messages to Discord promotion pages. When you join a server, some of them may have dedicated pages for promotion, and if so, you're going to want to make sure you have a long-form engaging copy to get the most promotional benefits out of that page. Now, when people DM you, you want to forward them to OnlyFans, the same as all the rest. If they waste time, don't bother, just move on. Now, with TikTok, you're going to want to upload a profile picture and create a short, sweet bio. Upload at least 3 TikToks videos a day. This is what's best for the algorithm. And then don't mention OnlyFans on any videos, as TikTok is very sensitive to content. And you're also going to want to make sure that your content isn't too revealing. And to do this, you can go and find similar accounts to your own, and you can see what type of content they're posting, and chances are that content's alright. Now, when people DM you, you want to forward them to your OnlyFans, and you want to use a link tree to link to OnlyFans. So don't have a direct link from TikTok. You're going to want to have a link tree, and then on the link tree, you got your OnlyFans link. Now, the last one is Instagram, and you're going to want to upload a profile picture and set a bio, and you're going to upload to your story at least 2 times a day to show that you're a real person. Now, by doing this, you're going to be creating a more interactive relationship with your followers, and it's going to mean that there's more likely the subscribers are actually going to go ahead and find you on OnlyFans. Now, you're going to also want to add your stories to highlights on Instagram. This means that when followers go to your account for the first time, they're going to see that you've got highlights and you've been posting stories for the last few months, and they'll get a connection from them stories again. Now, you want to upload 3 posts a day with different locations, hashtags and text. Now, by doing this, you're going to be maximizing your organic outreach, and you're going to be having more followers come in. Now, when people DM you, forward them to your OnlyFans, the same as all the other socials, and use Linktree to link to OnlyFans, as it's also sensitive with OnlyFans links like TikTok. Now, you may be asking, how do I make more per subscriber? Well, in order to make more per subscriber, you need to play to the male psychology. Now, the key mindset of a typical OnlyFans subscriber is that they want to fulfill a desire that they're not able to fulfill in real life. This means that you can use this need and craving that they have to your advantage to make more money. Now, I know it sounds bad, but this is the reality of it. This is every business. You got to get into the psychology of your consumer, and you got to optimize your business for this. So here's just a few tips to get you started. Now, only tease subscribers on their main feed. So if you post full nudes on your page for free, then the mystery and craving has gone. So only use full nudes and XX rated content in your PPV messages, as it'll increase your value, and they'll be more likely to continue buying this exclusive content, as it's something they can't see for free. Now, add buying pressure to your PPV content. You want to use scarcity and urgency in your PPV captions to trigger them to buy, and you can also send out a random message every couple of days saying, hey, by the way, all PPV content sent is only available for 12 hours. This is going to increase the scarcity and urgency. Now, you're going to want to reward tips that you get with attention. So sometimes you'll get OnlyFans subscribers that send you money, and if they do, you want to make sure you give them attention, because this is a positive reinforcement loop that you're triggering, and that means they'll be giving you more money more often. You're also going to want to implement NLP. Now, NLP stands for neuro-linguistic programming. Now, trust me, it sounds a lot more complicated than it actually is. In reality, it's just making your subscribers fall in love with you. Now, to do this, you want to include their name in messages. People love hearing their name. That's just a well-known fact. You also want to use a wide range of emotions when speaking to your subscribers. Sometimes it can even be negative emotions, as if a subscriber has a wide range of emotions that they think of when they message you, then it's more likely they're going to fall in love. Don't ask why, but it just works for everyone, and people love emotion. Now, you can also create fake scenarios of you in love. For example, let's pretend you loved me. How would you look after me? Say that type of stuff, even though you're just pretending, it's going to get them thinking in that way, in that mindset, which means they're more likely to stay in that mindset more often, and they're going to be getting more and more obsessed with you, because they're going to be asking themselves, oh, how would I look after her? Which is going to be triggering their natural masculine tendencies to look after and nurture women, which means that they're going to give you more money. Now, these are only 3 of about 1,000 neuro-linguistic programming techniques. I could have made a whole slide on just neuro-linguistic programming, so I'm just going to keep it short and sweet. Now, finally, let's reveal the exclusive tip that only the top 1% of creators actually know. Now, that is that consistency will beat any strategy in the long run. Now, I can't implore how important consistency is, and it's so important in anything in life, but especially important when you're starting to get a business off the ground, because this is what this is. This is a business, and if you want to get off the ground, you need to be consistent in uploading content. As if you suddenly drop in uploading content or drop in messaging your subscribers, then it's going to be questioning your subscribers' mindset. Does this girl actually take this seriously? What's the point of me paying all this money for her to not even take this seriously and not be here most of the time? So you need to take it seriously if you are doing this, and the more consistent you can be, the better results you're going to be getting in the long run. And it just depends on whether you're willing to sacrifice a few months in order to have a lifestyle of your dreams, traveling around the world, going to exotic locations and being financially independent. And it's a great asset to build and a perfect opportunity to do so right now. So that concludes this video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, smash that like button. It will mean the world to me. And if you want, check out the link below where you can book in a quick 15-minute chat with myself, where we can talk about your account and how we can start helping you to grow it, and the type of strategies that we use and which we're seeing success with. And we'll see whether we're a good fit for each other. If not, no biggie. But if we are, then we can help you take your OnlyFans account to the next level and help you start making some serious profit with it. So I'll see you guys next video. Cheers.